Happy Fondara, the place where you can learn languages. Enjoy the video! Hello everybody, in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to type IPA symbols easily. So there are many ways. I'm gonna start with an easy one that doesn't require any kind of software installation. So the first method is by using these websites called i2speak.com. Okay, you can see it up here. Okay, yeah, this works very well actually. So you're gonna basically type here. So as you type, you can see options. So imagine you want to describe the word hot dog in a British accent, RP accent. So you just go like this, and then you will go hot dog. It gets some time getting used to. Okay. Sometimes you might need to go down here. Maybe you need a special vowel. So just go over here. Here you've got all the vowels. Okay. Just click the one you need. Or you might need a diphthong. So just go over here. You've got all the diphthong. You've even got the rotted color ones over here. Okay, so in English, and these are British English. Okay. Yeah, you also have the consonants. So just go over here. Okay. You just select the one. But then again, you've got most. Let's try another one. Let's say chocolate. Over here, chocolate. This is gonna be a schwa. Chocolate. Yeah. You also need the stress. Usually it's got between slashes. Yeah. You might need to write bosses. This is number one. So here you have all bosses, you name it. Quite easy. Okay, and then you just copy and paste. You even can download it as a Word document. You can use. So you've got many options. Just play around. Easy peasy. But maybe you want to type IPA symbols on Word or any document, and you don't want to go copy and paste all the time. So there is another option, and that is using keema. So in this option, you need to install keema first. So just go to here. If you've got Windows, just click here and then you download it. Pretty simple. After installing this, you're gonna have this little icon here, and you need to install the keyboard. So just go IPA. Okay, just search it, and you've got two keyboards. You've got this one, which is called IPL SEL, and this is IPA Total. Let's start with this one, which is a little bit simpler. So once you've got keema installed, just go over here and click here. I'm going to show you the process. I've got it installed already, but I'm going to show you the process. So just install it. Okay. You click here, install. You click here, yes. Yeah, just wait a moment. And you're gonna have this. This is the instruction, basically how to use this. So I recommend that you print this as a PDF. Just go to print and just choose PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay, once you got it, just open the PDF. I've already have it here. Close this. So this is the PDF with instruction. So here you can see how to type all the IPA symbols. So for example, so I'm gonna use a notebook, but you could use anything. So imagine you want to type, I don't know, let's type ship, for example, ship. So you go over here. I forgot. Very important. If you want to use this, you need to go to the options here, to the keyboard layout, or just click on your keyboard the Windows button plus spacebar, and you click. So hold the window button and just. So you have to select that option, the one that goes ISIL. Yeah, and if you type this here, let me zoom in. So if you type this, you're gonna get all these symbols. So imagine you want to use the interdental sound, okay, the fricative interdental, unvoiced sound. So just go T equal, you get that, or maybe you want the voice version. So D equal. So for example, now you want to describe thunder. So T equal, and then you're gonna need another symbol. So yes. So maybe a drawback is that you have to learn all these sequences, maybe. So let's go find the vowel I need. So here you have the vowel. So this is U are greater than. So U greater than. So that's the sound. Up. Yep. Thunder. And then I'm gonna need a schwa. So basically it's E equal. Thunder. That's the stress. So there you have it. Problem with this IPL cell keyboard, you cannot type all the IPA symbols. So if you scroll down, let me remove this. If you scroll down, let me show you. So here, all the ones that are green, you don't have it in this keyboard. So for example, now you want to describe, I don't know, let's say for example this one, which is the dark color schwa, okay, the one we use in American English. You don't have it with this one. So this is why I'm gonna show you another one, which is called Total IPA. So if you go here, just type IPA. It's a little bit slow now. And you scroll down. Wait a moment. Ah, there you are. So you go over here, IPA Total. Just click install keyboard. open keyboard, and then you're gonna install it. I'm gonna show you the process. So just click install. Okay, so once you okay, but in my case I've got it installed. Okay, once you finish installing this, click here, help on install, no, this one. So we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna go to the documentation of this, which is over here, keyboard help, and I recommend, so just click here on the English version. You got also the Portuguese version over there. So these are instructions on how to use this particular keyboard. Okay, so here you have instruction. So if you change the keyboard, so we're gonna use IPA total, okay? So if you type, so now my keyboard is like this, okay? So if I go like this, you see now where I've got the Y, I've got this schwa symbol. And then if you press shift, you've got this, okay? If you scroll down a little bit, so here, if you press a button that is on the left upper corner, which is this one, okay, you got it here, let me show you again. So if you press this button here, the one that is red, as you press those, the letter is gonna be changing like this. So these are the number of times you press that symbol. So you've got many options over here. So for example, with the letter T, this, so many options. And then you've got all of these. Okay, this is super experimental. I mean, you've got the whole IPA here. The problem is that okay, so here you've got, basically I recommend reading this and just practicing. So what? Okay, let me explain this one. So what is this? So if you go over here, you can see this capital letter. So this is what you get when you press the letter shift, which is one of these two buttons. So for example, let's see. Okay, I recommend open document twice. So basically ERTIOAS. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna practice. Not this one, sorry. So imagine, I don't know, imagine you want to use the symbol, the very fricative symbol. So you're gonna press letter Q. You press letter Q, then you press Shift plus F, and there you have it. Okay, so F stands for fricative. Or imagine you want to do I don't know. Let me see. I don't know, tap R, for example. like ra 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 ra. So you just go to R and then T, and there you have it. Or maybe you want let me see, the approximate R, the one you use in English, which is this one. Okay, so basically you just click T, Shift A, and there you have it. Or maybe you want to write I don't know, let me see what else you have. So here you have it. Okay, just play around. It's a matter of practicing. Or over here you've got diacritics. So yeah, so this is basically pressing F1 this number of times. So for example, when you want to use a nasal A sound, so you just first you write the diacritics. So you're gonna press F1 7 times. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, it's F1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Or even one time, yeah. So one time. So you go, it keeps changing, okay, and then the vowel, and then you have it. Then you have a nasal A symbol. I mean, you've got many options over here. Over here you've got all this. I mean, quite complete. Yeah. And here you have the tones. Yeah, these are the tones. I mean, quite complete. So let's practice a little bit. This one is more difficult getting used to, maybe, because you've got more options. But I mean, it's a matter of practice. So for example, let's see if let's try the word thunder. So probably I need to get it. The symbol. Let me see if I can see it. The problem with this is that you've got so many options and so many different characters. So for example here, so this is the letter Y on your keyboard. Remember, this goes with this layout you've got here. So this is the layout, okay, this initial layout, remember that. So notice here, when you have on your English keyboard you've got Y, it's gonna be schwa instead, okay, remember that. Everything else is the same, basically, yeah. So here, so basically if you want to describe English, you won't need all of them, obviously. So probably you're gonna need this one, schwa, this one you're gonna need it, obviously this one as well, maybe this one, also you're gonna need this one, yeah, this one. I mean, it's just practicing, it's a matter of practice. So let's try thunder. So here you can see F, so this is the symbol you're gonna need now. So just press this. So remember, you press F and then the button on the left upper corner on your keyboard, the one that is next to the number 1, and there you have it. And then Y, 1, 2, 3. Thunder. Probably this is gonna be intelligent. Thunder. No, it's not. Thunder. Here you can use just schwa. I'm not sure if I can color this. I'm gonna try to use. It should be able to do that. Should be able to do that. I mean, it's just a matter of practice and reading the documentation. But I think in the end it's worth learning how to use this kind of keyboard, especially if you have to describe texts, IPA, and things like that. Okay, I hope this video helps you. Okay, I recommend starting using the website first, and then one of these two. Okay, probably if you're using just English, probably you should start using IPA still, but I prefer IPA total because you've got like more options. Anyway, thank you very much.